Hi guys, today we're going to be solving AP-1 score special. The problem states, given two arrays A and B of non-negative int scores, a special score is one which is a multiple of 10, such as 40 or 90. Return the sum of largest special score in A and the largest special score in B. To practice decomposition, write a separate helper method which finds the largest special score in an array. Write your helper method after your scoresSpecial method in the JavaBat text area. Okay. So essentially what we're doing, essentially what we're doing is finding the largest special score or largest multiple of 10 in each array. And all we're doing is adding that up and returning the sum. So to do that, like the problem stated, let's create a helper method. So this helper method is going to be called, let's call it largest. So public int largest will take in the parameters int array. So in an array, we're gonna have to keep track of what the largest value is. So let's keep that at max. So if what am I saying? We're gonna have to run a for loop through the entire array. We can do this by starting at index 0 all the way through array.length. And then we're going to have to check to see if it's a multiple of 10. So if array I mod 10 equals 0, and if array I is greater than max, then we're going to set max to array I. Okay, so what this if statement does is when the for loop runs and brings in every individual number, we're going to be first checking to see if it's a multiple of 10. Modulus 10 will divide the number by 10 and return the remainder. So if the remainder is 0, which means if it divides evenly, then we know it is a multiple of 10. Then we're going to have to check. Then we're going to check to see if that number, that is a multiple of 10, is greater than max. Because if it's greater than max, then we're going to set max to that new number. Because remember, we're looking for the largest multiple of 10 in the array. So once we finish with our for loop, max will contain the largest multiple of 10. Then after that, all we have to do is return max. So up here, we're going to need two different integer variables, one for the first array and one for the second array. So let's call it int first and int second. In the first variable, it's going to contain the largest multiple of 10 from the array A. To do this, all we have to do is call our helper method down here and input the parameter, which is going to be A. Then we're going to do the same thing down here, but for B. After this, what we have to do is just return first plus second. See if this works. Cool, it works. Good job.